morning, students. Today we discuss the eighth lesson, chemical bonding. In the last class, we discussed the archetype rule and the formation of what is meant by ionic bond and Lewis dot structure, Lewis and Kozel dot or cross structure. Dots and cross indicate only valence shell electrons. What are inert gases? Inert gases are inert towards any chemical reactions. Names of inert gases: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. Except helium, remaining all inert gases have 8 electrons in their valence shell or outermost shell or orbit. Except inert gases, the remaining elements try to, especially representative elements. The S block and P block elements are called representative elements. Especially the representative elements try to get their nearest inert gas atomic number or electronic configuration and try to get the 8 electrons in their outermost shell or orbit. Okay. So, what is meant by octet rule? The atom of an element during the chemical reactions. This chemical reaction help their valence shell, 8 electrons are present in their valence shell or outermost orbit. So, if an atom contains 8 electrons in its outermost shell or orbit, it is called octet configuration. And octet rule. Okay, every atom except inert gases try to get the octet configuration or octet rule in the valence shell or valence orbit. Now, what is meant by ionic bond? The transfer of electrons from one atom to another atom. It is called ionic bond. First we learn ionic bond. So there are two types of bond present in this lesson. First one ionic bond, next one covalent bond. Covalent bond is the sharing pair of electrons between two or more atoms. It is called covalent bond. So we discuss that covalent bond next class. So now we discuss the formation of molecules. Formation of NaCl, formation of MgCl2, formation of Na2O, formation of AlCl3. First one, formation of NaCl. Atomic number of sodium is 11. Its electronic configuration, its electronic configuration 2, 8, 1. This means sodium atom contains 11 electrons. First shell contains 2 electrons, second shell contains 8 electrons, third shell, outermost shell contains 1 electron. If sodium loss of this 1 electron, it becomes a nearest inert gas neon, and it contains 8 electrons in the second shell, outermost shell, second shell. So this is sodium atomic number 11. This is the atomic number 11. So atomic number 11. If sodium loss or donate 1 electron, it become 2, 8 octet configuration and become a neon atomic number or electronic configuration. So 2, 8 plus it loss of 1 electron. This is the cation or positive charged ion. Cation form. This is the cation formation. In NaCl, Cl, chlorine. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. So 2, 8, 7. So if chlorine gain or receive one electron, it become a octet configuration in its outermost shell, third shell. The K shell, L shell, M shell. M shell contain 7 electrons. M shell contain 7 electrons. So Cl plus the 1 electron, it gain 1 electron. Cl plus 1 electron gives rise to Cl minus. Cl minus 2 comma 8 comma 8. 2 comma 8 comma 8. Cl minus. So it become a nearest end gas argon. Nearest end gas argon configuration. Argon configuration. This is the yan ion. Yan ion. Yan ion. Yan ion. So these are the Na plus and the Cl minus. Na plus Cl minus. Both are opposite charged ions. Opposite charged ions. So both ions are attracted by each other with some electrostatic force. Both ions Na plus Cl minus attracted by each other with some electrostatic force. The electrostatic force plus ion minus ion gives rise to NaCl. Gives rise to NaCl. This is the formation of sodium chloride compound. Compound means combination of different atoms. To form a bigger particle. That bigger molecule or bigger particle. It is called a compound. NaCl compound. This is a NaCl compound. Combination of same atom of elements. Example O2, N2, H2, etc. Combination of same atoms of elements to form a bigger molecule. Bigger particle. This bigger particle is called molecule. Combination of different atoms, metal and non-metal. Combination of metal and non-metal or different atoms to form a bigger particle. It is called compound. NaCl compound. Formation of MgCl2. Next one, formation of MgCl2. Magnesium. Atomic number of magnesium is 12. Okay, its electronic configuration 2, 8, 2. First shell contain 2 electrons, second shell contain 8 electrons, and the third shell M shell contain 2 electrons. If magnesium loss of these 2 electrons, it become a octet configuration, or it become a nearest end gas neon electronic configuration atomic number. If magnesium loss of 1 electron, loss of 2 electrons, Mg plus 2E minus. 2E minus means E minus plus E minus. If you lost 2 electrons, E minus plus E minus. Mg plus. This is the Mg plus ion. This ion is called cation. Di-positive cation. This is the unipositive. Na plus is the unipositive cation. This is the di-positive cation. If magnesium loss of 2 electrons from magnesium, the atom of an element. So the atomic number of Mg plus. So ion is 2, 8. This is the 2, 8 neon electronic configuration. This is neon electron. This is the argon configuration. This is the magnesium sodium configuration. This is the neon configuration. So atomic number MgCl2. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. Atomic number 17. Electronic configuration 2, 8, 7. If chlorine gain of 1 electron, it become a octet configuration in its third shell M shell. 8 electrons contain 8 electrons. Octet configuration, octet rule. So there are two Cl in MgCl compound, MgCl2 compound. So magnesium donate 2 electrons after loss of 2 electrons. Each chlorine atom, one chlorine atom gain of only 1 electron. Cl 2, 8, 7. This is the electronic configuration of chlorine. First shell contain 2 electrons, second shell contain 8 electrons, third shell contain 7 electrons. 7 electrons. This is Cl gain of 1 electron, gain of 1 electron, gain of 1 electron, 1 electron, gain of 1 electron, 1 electron. It become a Cl minus. Cl minus. It become Mg plus plus. Mg plus plus. Mg plus plus. 2 electrons lost 2 electrons. Mg plus plus cation. Here Cl plus 1 electron gives rise to Cl minus. Cl minus. This is the electronic configuration of Cl minus ion is 2, 8, 8. 2, 8, 8. This is the octet configuration in the third shell, outermost shell. Anion. It is anion. Both ions are oppositively charged ions. Both are oppositively charged ions. Opposite charged ions. So Mg plus ion attracted by the Cl minus. Atomic number of another chlorine also. Another plus 17. 2, 8, 8. 2, 8, 7. 2, 8, 7. This has to Cl. These 2 electrons are gained by both chlorine atoms. Both chlorine atoms. Cl minus gives rise to Cl plus 1 electron gives rise to Cl minus. Cl minus. This is the anion. Anion. Mg. Now Mg plus magnesium transfer or donate 2 electrons to both chlorine atoms. So Mg plus Cl minus plus Cl minus. Cl minus plus Cl minus gives rise to Mg Cl2 or Mg plus 2Cl minus gives rise to MgCl2. So here both opposite charged ions, Mg plus or Mg2 plus, Mg plus or Mg2 plus, Cl minus or Cl minus, 2Cl minus gives rise to MgCl2. Both opposite charged ions, Mg plus positive ion and Cl minus or 2Cl minus ion are attracted by each other with some electrostatic force and to form MgCl2 compound. Here next one Na2O like MgCl2 Na2O. Atomic number of sodium is 11. Atomic number of sodium is 11. Its electronic configuration 2, 8, 1. 2, 8, 1. If sodium loss of 1 electron, it attain a octet configuration in this outermost shell, second shell. K shell contain 2 electrons, L shell contain 8 electrons and M shell contain 1 electrons. If sodium atom loss of that 1 electron in M shell, it become a octet configuration. Gives rise to Na sodium loss of 1 electron, it become a Na plus. Another sodium atom, atomic number also 11. 2 comma electron 2 comma 8 comma 1 2 comma 8 comma 1 if we class of 1 electron it become a Na plus we have cations. This is cations. So Na2 2 Na plus ions cation 2 cations are there in Na2O. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. Its electronic configuration 2 comma 6. If oxygen gain of 2 electrons it become a octet configuration, octet tool in the valence shell 2 comma 6 is raised to O plus 2E minus or E minus plus or E minus 2E minus gives rise to O minus. This is the yarn ion. So here the Na plus 2 2 Na plus ions 2 Na plus ions 2 positively charged sodium ions 2 positive sodium ions plus 1 oxygen ion. So each sodium atom donate to transfer 1 electron. These 2 electrons are received by oxygen atom. It become a negatively charged ion to form Na2O. To form Na2O. In Na2O, Na is a sodium metal, O is a oxygen non-metal. There is some electrostatic force exists between positively charged ion and negatively charged anion. Positively charged ion also called cation, negatively charged ion also called anion. Cation also called acidic radicals, anion also called basic radicals. So you try the formation of AlCl3 molecule. Al like this Na2O, and MgCl2. You will try this formation of AlCl3. Okay, so discuss the covalent bond in the next class. Okay, thank you.